Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. It's Ube. You know, it's been a while. I'm so sorry. I just got really stumped with work. We had this crazy thing going on. That's assessment, inspection, all that stuff. And I'm chilling with Luna on the couch. But yeah, it's been a long time. I got a little short video for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for all the support. We gained 200 subscribers while I was gone, man. Been a crazy year. I just appreciate all the support. And yeah, it's enough talking. Let's get to today's video. Hopefully it helps you guys out. Subscribe if you guys haven't yet. Let's get to it. That honestly looks pretty good, dude. That fits really nice. Definitely just needs some adjustment, but see if we can get better lighting. That lip's really dope. Really extends the lip. It gives it that Mugen look without having the sides. And those sides line up perfectly with the lip. It's like they were made for each other. And I just really like how that really just sits right along that top line. Probably run a little bit of double-sided tape to hold down the center, and it does need to be heated up, maybe pushed down a bit. Hopefully the heat out here in Vegas just does that. I do need to raise this side a little bit. Should sit right there. Dude, that front end looks mean as hell. Dude. All right, now I really just need to put on the rear lip. It's a really round looking body. What if we put this wing on there? Don't judge me if I do. It might happen. And we definitely need to fix that roof still. I'm really thinking about throwing the Miata's wheels on there because these are probably 7 plus 45s and these are 832s. So that'll give us about 20 millimeters of poke, which is about what this needs. And I have wheels that I'm looking into for picking up for this car that are 18s, but I really want to test fit these to see the fitment before I get those 18s. Especially because they're gonna have super fat tires, only because I have 255s chilling in my backyard. And if I don't need to buy new tires, I'll definitely get those 18s. We got the sides on, we got the front on. Now I'm just debating about this spoiler. It looks cool and it'll definitely look good, but yeah, we'll see what we do about that. That could just be funny having this Boltex wing on here. And I am seriously thinking about it because, well, if you look at it, it's flat, but the wing's really angled. And this guy is kind of angled up this way, so it might sit flat. We'll see. And I need to go to the junkyard soon, check that out, but really happy about the fitment. That's it for tonight. It's really late. Had a long day at work today. Just got that in the mail and needed to fit it up. Yeah, that looks really good. I'm gonna go push the car back forward, close up the garage, and I'll see you guys when we bolt in this front lip. All right, guys, see you in a bit. Hey, what's up, guys? It is a new day, and from further investigation on the lip, we now have removed it, and I think I'm mounting it wrong, but either way, we need to trim off a little bit on every corner because it just doesn't fit up to the lip that well, so we're gonna go ahead and shave this off just a little bit so we have more clearance to fit around the fog light. These were probably made for bumpers without fog lights, the base model, or something, but yeah, we're gonna shave it and see the clearance from there. All right, here we go. We trimmed it down. A little dusty now, but all that silver I had just drawn onto it. I just referenced it with a Sharpie and we trimmed it down. Hopefully that's enough. We only cut off about 2 millimeters. I'm gonna cut off more. There it is, the lip's on. It's a little dark, so we'll check it out in the morning. And I am really digging it. Hey, thanks for getting to the end of the video, guys. I really appreciate you guys. you guys enjoyed it, if it helped you out, you know, it'd just be so awesome. Super short, super quick, but we got the next one coming up very soon. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. All right, peace.